If you've ever spent a hot afternoon manually scrubbing your pool instead of relaxing in it, you already know why robot pool cleaners are a total game changer. These little machines save hours of work, reduce chemical use by keeping water cleaner longer, and let you enjoy your pool instead of managing it. Today, we're breaking down 7 of the best robot pool cleaners on the market right now, from smart navigation models to heavy-duty scrubbers and budget-friendly picks. All the product links are in the video description, so check those out if you want to dive deeper into any of these. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Polaris Freedom Plus. This cordless robotic pool cleaner is all about flexibility and ease of use. Designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, it comes with an outdoor charging caddy and a remote control included, which right away sets it apart in terms of convenience. It runs entirely cordless, which means you don't have to deal with tangled cables or awkward poolside setups. One thing that stands out about this model is how intuitive it is. It docks and recharges on its own and has multiple cleaning modes you can cycle through remotely. It's not the lightest unit around, so if you're someone who needs to lift it frequently, keep that in mind. But for folks who want premium automation and solid performance with minimal fuss, the Freedom Plus is a fantastic choice. It's especially well suited for medium to large pool owners who don't want to micromanage their cleaner. Now, if you're looking for a model with ultra-smart navigation, the Iper Scuba S1 delivers. This robotic cleaner can handle in-ground pools up to 1,600 square feet and uses advanced path planning to clean efficiently without wasting energy or retracing its steps. What really impressed me here is its ability to climb and clean walls and the waterline. That vertical mobility puts it ahead of a lot of similarly priced models. While it doesn't have the remote control or app-based operation of the Polaris, the trade-off is better coverage per cleaning cycle and fewer missed spots. It's a quiet operator too, definitely something you'll appreciate if you like lounging by the pool while it works. Compared to the Polaris Freedom Plus, the Iper Scuba S1 skips the bells and whistles like remote access, but makes up for it with smarter cleaning logic and a slightly larger coverage area, making it a better fit for larger or more geometrically complex pools. Speaking of smart features, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is where performance meets convenience. You get Wi-Fi control through the My Dolphin Plus app, which allows you to schedule cleanings or start a cycle from anywhere. Great if you're away for the weekend but still want a spotless pool when you get back. This unit is built for in-ground pools up to 50 feet and uses a wall-climbing scrubber brush that's particularly good at dislodging fine debris and algae. What I love here is how balanced the cleaning is. It doesn't just blast through the floor and ignore the sides. It methodically tackles all surfaces, and the twin cartridge filters are easy to rinse and reload. It is on the heavier side though, so if portability is a concern, you might need to invest in a separate caddy. Still, it holds its own remarkably well and strikes a nice middle ground between the hands-on simplicity of the Polaris and the smart navigation of the Iper. Now, let's talk about the BeatBot AquaSense 2, which might be the most visually striking of the bunch with its sleek blue design, but there's more to it than looks. This one is built to handle both in-ground and above-ground pools, up to a massive 3,230 square feet. That's right, it's a beast. It features smart surface parking and a dual-pass waterline scrubbing system, which is incredibly effective if you've got lots of grime buildup around the top of the pool. Where it really shines is in those larger or oddly shaped pools where a basic random pattern bot just doesn't cut it. Imagine you're hosting a backyard party and your pool needs to look spotless in a few hours. Drop this guy in, set it, and forget it. It's that efficient. One downside is its size. This cleaner is bulky and a bit of a storage hog. But if you've got the space and need top-tier scrubbing power, it's absolutely worth the footprint. It's more robust than the Nautilus and more versatile than the Scuba S1, especially for larger households or frequent pool usage. On the other end of the size spectrum, the Gosvor LightVac 800 is a compact but surprisingly capable cordless robotic cleaner. It's designed primarily for above-ground pools up to 860 square feet, which makes it a great entry-level pick. If you've got a smaller setup or a seasonal pop-up pool, this is exactly what you need. It runs up to 90 minutes per charge and even has a self-parking feature, so it's not flailing in the middle of the pool when it's done. I have to say, the engineering on this model is impressive given the price point. Efficient suction, straightforward controls, and it doesn't look or feel cheap. You won't get waterline scrubbing or fancy app control, but for the right pool size, it delivers dependable performance without breaking the bank. Compared to the BeatBot, the Gosvor sacrifices some high-end features, but is more manageable in both size and cost, making it ideal for casual pool owners. Moving back into the heavy-duty category, the Aper Scuba X1 is a serious piece of equipment. This upgraded model uses dual-jet propulsion and can move through water with surprising speed and precision. It delivers a whopping 6,600 gallons per hour of suction and features multi-layer filtration, which means it picks up everything from fine dust to leaves and small twigs. It's built for in-ground pools and specializes in horizontal waterline scrubbing, a common problem area for pool owners. I really like how this model approaches cleaning with power and efficiency. If you've got a pool surrounded by trees or one that sees a lot of foot traffic, this robot handles debris without clogging or choking up. While it doesn't offer app controls like the Dolphin Nautilus, its focus on raw cleaning ability makes it a standout. Compared to the Aper Scuba S1, the X1 is more powerful, but also more specialized, perfect for folks who value brute strength over tech features. Last but definitely not least, the Dolphin E10 is a favorite among above-ground pool owners, and for good reason. This model is lightweight, simple to operate, and built to clean pools up to 30 feet in length. It uses an active scrubber brush and has top-load filter access, which makes maintenance a breeze. Imagine you're getting ready for a quick dip on a hot day. You toss in the E10, grab a drink, and by the time you're done with lunch, the pool's spotless. It's not going to climb walls or connect to your phone, but for quick cleanups and weekend use, it's a rock-solid performer. It's a quieter machine too, which is great if you have neighbors close by or want to run it early in the morning. Compared to the Gosvor, the Dolphin E10 offers better scrubbing and easier access to the filters, though it's slightly more expensive. Still, for a simple, no-nonsense cleaner that gets the job done fast, this one earns its spot on the list. So, how do you pick the right one for your pool? If you're looking for the best all-around cleaner with high-end automation, the Polaris Freedom Plus is the way to go. For advanced navigation and wall cleaning in larger pools, the Aper Scuba S1 is incredibly smart and efficient. If remote control and scheduled cleaning matter to you, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi combines those with solid performance. For those with oversized or heavily used pools, the BeatBot AquaSense 2 brings commercial-level scrubbing into the backyard. On the flip side, the Gosvor LightVac 800 is a perfect budget-friendly solution for smaller, above-ground pools. If you need max suction and power, the Aper Scuba X1 is a debris-destroying powerhouse. And for casual or seasonal users, the Dolphin E10 is quick, reliable, and incredibly easy to use. Don't forget, all the links to these cleaners are in the video description, so check those out if one caught your eye. And if you found this guide helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more smart product reviews. See you next time, and hopefully by then, your pool is sparkling clean without you lifting a finger.